Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jack Sampath back on the flight deck. Dinner's noise 10.1. So I just want to show you that in 10.1 you can change the key of every instrument independently in DIN. That is, the microtonal keyboard can have a different key, the keyboard can have a different key, Mondrian can have a different key. You can also select different scales for each of these instruments. You couldn't do that in 10, but you can in 10.1. So this is the microtonal keyboard, as you know, and its key is C, actually, middle C. Now I'll shift to the keyboard. I'll shift to Mondrian, and you see that it's in the key of G. It's playing this, just one ball. It's playing in the key of G, and the keyboard is also in the key of G. Maybe I can change that into maybe something like A or D, maybe. Okay, so now, D. Okay, so go back, and you see that the key is D. So I'm gonna play a few notes here. You could shift the octave, and it would only shift on the keyboard, not on the microtonal keyboard or on Mondrian. You see that? So it only changed in the keyboard. What else? Let's go to Mondrian and octave shift it up, one octave up. So it's playing at a higher octave, one octave up. But you see, the microtonal keyboard is still at C. So we could octave shift that. You see that? Mondrian is not changing. So I'm just shifting the octave there. I press Z and X keys to shift octaves. That's Mondrian in the background. Back to C. So this is what I wanted to show you. It's coming in DIN 10.1, and Boris Martin Nunes in Portugal. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name properly, but I think you have got the feature you asked me for a long time now, and it's really fun. To be able to change the key and the scale of instruments independently is really nice, and that's the way it's gonna stay in the future versions of DIN starting 10.1. So see you on the next one.